Had to get the main man some stuff. What's a little resin kit?
It's the resin kits to be the ones that you wanted to do. But like I told you, it takes a different kind of resin.
Oh, okay. She put me to work, per usual.
These are earring size, way too small. But I thought there's a keychain size on them. But you said you wanted to try this time.
Can you tell me, have you found someone who loves you for yourself, for yourself? Because I think that I found the one who makes me kiss and tell, kiss and tell. Now that I'm the biggest fan, I let them ruin all my plans, all my plans. Yeah, I know that I found someone who loves me for myself, for myself. Hit me, am I dreaming? Cause I'm feeling like the world is on my side. I know she got me feeling, got me tongue tied, tongue tied.
So I'm so excited. There's so much going on for TapKeeps. And it's been amazing. I have all of these things that are about to go into keychains that I print and cut. Again, my favorite little thingies. And of course, our very first doggy memorial. Again, it's so sad, but I'm so stoked that, you know, they asked me to do it. Like, thank you for thinking about me and for checking out my social media. That actually found me on TikTok. If you have not followed my TikTok, what the heck are you doing? Make sure you're following my TikTok. The link will be down below, and the link tree, everything for TapKeeps. And then we're gonna open this. I think it's probably boring for the market, but I've been so busy. But let's see what's in this boring package. Say hello to the camera. Not have to blur you out. Box in a box. Jennifer! Like I said, we're getting ready for the market, and these are just the little risers. So I cannot wait to do a mock setup of the market.
Take what you want, take it all from me. Take everything I own, cause now I know she's everything I need. Everything I need. She's everything. Love the way she steals my clothes like I won't notice her wearing my shirt. Love it when she leans in close, leaves me notes when she's trying to flirt. But honestly, it's killing me when she's not around and I fall asleep. She's in my dreams and on my mind. I'm telling you, I found the one. Girl like her's hard to find, hard to find. Hit me, am I dreaming? Cause I'm feeling like the world is on my side. I know she got me feeling, got me tongue tied, tongue tied. Take what you want, take it all from me. Take everything I own, cause now I know she's everything I need. Oh my God, she's so damn fine, laying in her Calvin Kleins, lips so sweet like lemonade, playing in the mess we made. Oh my God, she's so damn fine, think I'm losing track of time, saying that we'll take things slow, kinda hoping that we won't. Hit me, am I dreaming? Cause I'm feeling like the world is on my side. I know she got me feeling, got me tongue tied, tongue tied. Take what you want, take it all from me. Take everything I own, cause now I know she's everything I need.
spooky craft fair. We may be trying to get into it. I might have told you guys that yesterday. I have to actually build a desk really quickly. Sorry if this area is loud. It's hot outside, but we're gonna open this desk and build it, and then we're gonna go to the fair. So we have a lot going on today, but we're kind of like growing out of the area. We move things around because TapKeeps is growing. We're getting more product in today, so I can make it. So that's what's gonna happen. Let's build this thing and see what we can do. Okay, so we made groceries, went to the festival, we have so much more to do, but right now we're bringing in some more of our craft fair stuff. I'm so freaking excited. Right now I'm putting it all in the basement, but stay tuned. There's going to be a craft fair setup video coming very soon, but right now let's get everything in and unboxed.
B，你的音乐好好听呀。
Got a big one. Down the block, jack out the gas wall. Now let's make a dirty line and set up forward. Here's Sunday. Work.
went to the market to check out what they had, man. Like, we'll set up stuff like that. That one. We picked up on things last time. I might go to do it later, but we started you guys, you can see the little drink thing. I have stuff to make Lotus. I can do Dirty Lotus, or I can do Alani. We're gonna do Alani today, so I'm doing like a mint coconut bun. We're gonna start with the refills of coconut, and then put the ice out of my favorite little ice things. I'm gonna finish this bagel so I can work. Jack probably needs water. Are you thirsty? Pineapple, I would rather sugar free pineapple, but this is what we got, so this is what we're gonna use. Never opened this stuff. I'm also gonna make some cornbread to go with the gumbo later. I would love a French bread, but of course they don't have French bread in PA, so we're gonna just make it with plain cornbread. Then I'm just doing the Alani. With the pineapple over the top. Then I come over here and put 1 pump of strawberry. And it kind of makes it cuter. So just do 1 pump of strawberry over the top. And it kind of just floats in a little bit, stir it up. There she is. That is perfection. Then I make a little more, a little sunset. We're done. Now to get a lid. Everything's like in a different spot. So the lids are in a different spot and the cups are in a different spot. We wrap it up. I'm gonna put that guy on. He's ready. Perfect little summer refresher, and it has energy. Okay, set up with me. We're getting ready to make probably about 15 keychains. I'm doing LGBT ones and like spooky vibes one because those are the fairs we're going to. So I'm gonna try to make between like 20 and 30. So set up with me for that. I like to kind of be in my area, pull out everything, and I'm gonna change the battery and we're gonna set up. So let's jump into it. I hope you guys enjoy this type of a vlog, seeing TapKeeps come to life. We almost have everything for the market. Our first market is in 2 weeks. So thank you guys so much for supporting. If you haven't already, make sure you go check out the Etsy shop. Even if you don't buy anything, just hop in there and check it out. It's in the link down below. And it is all in all of my social media bios, so make sure you're checking that out. Thank you guys so much for the support. And yeah, let's jump in. Let's do this. So first things first is I have to sketch. I have to like sketch out what I'm gonna do, and then after that we start making. But first I like to sketch out what I'm gonna do. Okay, so if you want any of these, I literally made all of these yesterday. They just got done curing overnight. If you want any of these, they'll be live. I'm pretty sure all of these are already live. And then these are the magnets that should be going live. Obviously, these are the ones we're bringing to the market that have our link tree. Our link tree is also down below, but you tap it and it pops up to our link tree. This is the one I wanted to tell you guys about. You tap it and it actually goes to a workout that I made. It is more catered to girls, but I'm thinking about making one for boys. And then, let's see another one. This one goes to like a health and wellness, like things you can do for like spa night or just like fun things like that. So the PDF, it is more than just the tap. It goes to something. Like I said, this goes to a workout. I'll try to put it on the screen here. And that goes to a little wellness thing. And then, of course, these can go to videos. You can, with the NFC chip, you can do a video of your dog. I have so many videos of Jack now. My actual personal keychain has a picture of him, and you tap it and it goes to a little video that I made. And then you can do like this for vacations, and that way when people come over, they can tap it and see your vacation pictures. All of these have NFC chips in them, and then some of these do, some of these don't. They are cheaper without it, but again, you don't get the memory, like the tap memory. So again, I think some of these may end up in your mystery bags. I kind of really like this one. If you know, you know as a parent. So cute. I think these will probably go in some of the mystery bags.